In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your metapixel to Typeform using your Pixel ID. This is a simple setup, but it's an important one if you want to track what happens after someone completes your Typeform. By linking your metapixel, you can send standard event data to Meta and improve how you measure conversions, optimize campaigns, and understand user behavior more clearly. To get started, first head over to Meta Events Manager and locate your pixel. What you need here is the 15-digit pixel ID. This ID is what connects your Typeform to the correct metadata source, so make sure you copy it carefully. If you work with multiple pixels, take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the right one before moving on. Once you have the ID copied, you're ready for the next part. Now switch over to your Typeform account and open the form you want to track. Inside that form, navigate to the Connect tab. This is where Typeform allows you to link your form with external tools and services. In the available integrations, select Meta Pixel. Opening this section will bring up the connection settings you need for the setup. In the designated field, paste the pixel ID you copied from Meta Events Manager. This step is straightforward, but it's worth double checking that the full ID has been pasted correctly, with no missing digits or extra spaces. Even a small mistake here can prevent the connection from working properly, so a quick review can save time later. After that, you'll see the option to enable standard tracking events. These are the events that Typeform can send to Meta when someone completes a response. Turn on the standard events you want to record based on your tracking goals. For example, you may want to track completions in a way that aligns with your reporting or campaign optimization strategy. Choose the options that make the most sense for how you plan to use the data. Once you've selected the events you want, click Save to apply the connection. That's it. Your metapixel setup in Typeform is now in place. As a final tip, after saving, it's a good idea to submit a test response through your form and then verify in Meta Events Manager that the event is being received correctly. This helps confirm that everything is connected as expected and gives you confidence before sending real traffic to the form. And that's how to connect your metapixel to Typeform using your Pixel ID.